In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to uninstall Oracle 19c from Windows. So, first, close any open instance of Oracle running on your system. Stop all Oracle-related services. Open the Service application, locate the services related to Oracle, typically named starting with Oracle. Right-click on each Oracle service and select Stop. Navigate to the Program Files directory on your C drive and search for the Oracle folder and delete it. Be cautious not to remove the other Oracle-related programs if preset. Go to the user profile directory like C Users and find and delete any folders related to Oracle, even if they appear empty. Open the Environment Variables settings. Search for Environment Variables in the Start menu search bar. Click on Edit the System Environment Variables. In the System Properties window, click on the Environment Variables button. And then, under the System Variables section, locate the path variable and select it. Click Edit and remove any paths related to Oracle. Confirm the changes by clicking OK on all open windows. Next, open the Registry Editor. Press the Windows R key to run the dialog and then type regedit to open the Registry Editor. In there, navigate to HKey Local Machine Software. Search for Oracle folder and delete it. Take caution to delete only Oracle-related entries. Then navigate to HKey Local Machines System Current Control Set Services. Search for and delete any services related to Oracle, usually starting with Oracle. After deleting all Oracle-related entities from the registry, close it and restart your computer to apply the changes and complete the installation process. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.